Naimbag nga malem kinyayo. Good afternoon everyone and happy Mother's Day. It's Sunday here today. And let's continue learning Ilocano. On this video, let's learn how to ask what is this and what are these in Ilocano. Let's start. So, for example, I have a tea here and I'm going to ask you, what is this? What is this? Inya daytoy. Inya daytoy. And for you to tell me that is a tea, you can say chaa dayta. Chaa, chaa, dayta. Chaa is tea in Ilocano. Chaa dayta, that is a tea. Inya daytoy, and you can tell me chaa dayta. Another example, I have a pen here or ball pen. What is this? Inya daytoy, and you can tell me Bolpen dayta. Bolpen dayta. Let's learn how to ask. What are these? Inya dagitoy. Inya dagitoy. Dagitoy. Inya dagitoy. And you can answer, those are pens, or in Ilocano, Bolpen dagita. You can tell me, Bolpen dagita. Bolpen dagita. Dagita. Inya dagitoy. Bolpen dagita. That's it for this video, and if you haven't seen the last video, how to ask what's that and what are those in Ilocano, you can find the link below or you can visit the link above. That's it. Bye!